As time goes by, floors become out of level. For multi-level buildings that need a deep fill leveler, you can either use SpexCrete 350 Superset or try adding bead on site to your leveling system. Here are the 7 differences you should know when using SpexCrete 350 Superset compared to a system where you add bead on site. First is that working with beads can be messy. Oftentimes to mix them you have to scoop them. They are very light and can have a lot of static. So, if you have any kind of wind on the job site, the beads will blow away easily. The second reason is that the job will require more labor. Adding bead on site requires more material and another step in the process. Therefore, you will need more workers to account for the additional step. Number 3 also has to do with the amount of material needed. Going with SpexCrete 350 Superset will require less water. The fourth reason is that the SpexCrete 350 has a longer working time over adding bead on site. As a result, you may see cracks or lines within the underlayment. Number 5, the SpexCrete 350 is harder. When dried, the SpexCrete 350 is more solid because it is a complete blend, compared to the beads that can easily be pulled from the bead on site solution. Number 6 is simple. SpexCrete 350 Superset is lighter. This is essential with older buildings with weight limits on their floors. Number 7 and biggest difference you can see is the consistency of the 350 compared to the lack thereof when doing the bead on site. When dried, you can see the SpexCrete 350 has bead throughout, but the one where you add bead on site, those beads have risen to the top because they are not formulated to be blended as compared to the SpexCrete 350 Superset. You can really see the difference when you zoom in on top. Last thing to mention, did you know SpexCrete 350 is the only patented lightweight deep fill leveler currently made in the USA? Those are the top 7 differences between SpexCrete 350 Superset and mixing bead on site to a leveler system. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more SpexCrete videos.